Alright, so just work your shots, make sure they're close. I say that now, but I'll forget.
He was tired after 14. Let's see how he does at 21.
I know.
Bring it, babe.
Go! Scout! Scout! Go! Oh, he's stuck.
Those were big ones.
There it is. There it is. There it is.
Get it, Scout! Here we go, here we go. Got that one.
Somebody got it.
Scout, go!
Left side. Left side. Colton, left side.
I wanted it. Take them both there. There's 3 there. Take them. There you go. Yeah, go! There you go, good boy.
Straight at us. Oh, come on.
Damn it!
Come on. Damn it.
Is that a greenie?
No, it's a back right here, right here, right here.
Ah.
There's a whole bunch coming to the left. Here we go, here we go. Let's see if we can get some to land. Scout, stay. Scout, sit. They're all coming back. They're all coming back. Scout, down, down, down. Let them work in. Sit. Sit. Scout, sit. Come on, come on. God damn it.
Got 2. Straight out.
God damn it, why do I suck?
Stay.
Colton, watch yourself here. Straight at us. Straight at us. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Hold on.
I really do suck today.
Straight ahead, straight ahead.
Hold on, hold on. Get the ones to the right. Yeah! Woo! Go!
There's 2 big ducks to the right.
Straight ahead, straight ahead.
Hold on. Get the ones to the right. Scout! Scout! Go! Go! Go!
Scout!
Kind of glad I wasn't recording on that last one. First shot was way off. Second shot, I basically fell backwards into my chairs.
Oh, yeah.
Where's he taking the bird? He's so tired. He's just looking for any dry land.
Good boy.
Come on, up. Give. Good boy.
The hell? Oh. Nice shot.
Scout!
Nice shot.
Scout!
There you go.
Scout!
Take that shot. Oh.
God damn it!
Glad I grabbed his third box, because I suck. That was
Nice shot.
Scout!
Take it. Nice shot, Galen. Scout! Dude, nice shooting today and last week.
I can't. That's the point. Elephant's gonna walk by. Got him. Die! Please, just die already.
I'm kind of guessing because I get that wheat and a reed in front of me. I'm thinking, should I shoot now?
More. Take him. Left side. Got him.
I'm not shooting the left. Maybe we can't do it.
Scout's got it. It's just winged. Good boy, Scout.
Good boy.
Another wedge? Or is that a blue-winged teal?
Get him, Scout!
Get it, Scout! That's a good boy!
Good boy!
Good boy!
Hang on to that, baby!
That.
That's a blue-winged teal.
It is.
I've never seen one over there. You want to keep it as a pet? It's going to survive. Look how happy he is. Give me that thing.
So excited to use the jail shank.
I've never done it before.
That was easy.
So you grab it.
Yeah, and bend its beak down to its chest.
Yeah, then I got it opened up the back of his head.
Yeah,
But that did it real quick.
that was real quick.
You still got the head.
So gonna go home and sharpen a key.
Good boy. Yeah, I ground it.
What did you YouTube to figure that out? Just how to make a jail shank?
Well, I
great.
Two-man limit, guys. Nice, yeah. We can
Yeah.
find those other ones.
Take him. That's you.
Yeah, let's go back. I'm done.
One of those cops, was that your pride leaving?
Yeah. Jesus Christ. Oh, man.
We'd almost be done.
Shut the hell up.
You have a whole extra box of shells, too.
Probably two.
Gonna have his wife buy him some more shells.
Well, I'm not legal, okay? You know what?
I got turned down too. They wouldn't give me any.
My next YouTube video,
Does he
solo
buy
duck
shells?
hunt. No, solo duck hunt. I won't kill anything, but
You want us to suffer this
Yeah.
abuse?
unsuccessful solo hunt.
Yeah, I definitely need a new gun. We'll talk to Ashley.
I'll tell you, this one, it works great.
No, it's because I dropped it. I can't see very well.
Must be it. Ah, put some in him.
Scout! Scout! Go!
Put another one in him.
I got no shells.
Shit, neither
Here,
do I.
here, take this before your dog gets out there. Scout, see there, you're gonna get your dog.
Go get it, Scout!
Was that 9 shells to put 1 bird down?
I'm guessing.
We're getting better.
Nice job, guys.
That was a team effort, huh?
10 shells.
Yeah.
Yeah, you feel it go through a shell, and then all of a sudden it's soft.
There you go. Get it, Scout.
Get it, Scout!
That's a pretty bird.
Oh, that is a pretty buffalo.
Yeah.
Look at that head, Dad.
That throws. Seems like a lot of work.
Yeah. I told Dad he's welcome to bring the kayak out here. It's just a long paddle from the boat ramp.
Tow him.
On the left, on the left. Get him, coming back. Nice shot, Galen. Scout!
I don't think I was recording. Bummer. I don't know. Ringing the neck has always worked for me.
Really?
Choking off every once in a while.
Come on, give me here.
Number 2 in.
Come on. That's a good boy. Drop. Drop. Good boy. Good boy. That's a good boy. Oh, shit.
What?
That one was sleeping.
You want to try my key?
You brought tea?
My key.
Scout, come on, get back. Go. Scout, nope, come here.
Well,
Did you just knock its head off? Another one?
But you know you ringed his
no,
head
I
off.
rang his head.
Yeah. Aaron.
Yeah, let me try killing it with the key.
Still kicking. I don't know, man.
Can you mount that? You should take that to a taxidermist. Yeah, can you fix this for me?
All right. Sorry. All right, I'm gonna do it now before the rain. Really don't have a plan for this. Maybe just right there, huh?
Why don't you
Back's
just
probably easiest.
stand on your chair? Flip it over this way.
Oh, it's cold out here.
I know, I can tell.
Yeah, we can see that.
Are you even going to be able to get past your waders?
Probably not.
You gotta pull it and stretch it.
You're recording.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Every time you look down to see if you can see if you're done or
Was
not.
that really?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Dude, you're gonna see my penis.
Hey, Ashley, come look at
Sorry.
this
Not the first time.
duck. No, not duck, I mean dick.
All
No, I'm just kidding. It wasn't on.
right. I really didn't think it was.
It's like, oh, that fourth one. Yeah, I could have dropped it on that one. Damn California.
Get in the first three, but the fourth one, oh yeah, I can.
Totally.